Hi there everyone, welcome back to Planet Horse, and today I will be testing out kind of a recon, but I switched out a retaliator stock, so I put it, I put a retaliator stock on this one and put the recon stock on the retaliator. I made a custom sniper rifle, so it's kind of like that. I have a scope right there. I got the 6-round mag. So that's basically, this is probably the easiest, kind of sniper rifle, custom sniper rifle to really make. Because all you need is a scope and really just, the normal Centurion stock, and then just a 6-round mag. That's like all you need, really. And also, by the way, how I got the stock on is I took this thing off and then I slid it through there and then put it back on. So, yeah, if you guys didn't know how to do that, then that's how. So, I'm going to test fire the sniper rifle, and then I will test fire the other one, the Recon Mark II, and then try that. So. Okay, I'm out. Now we're going to try this one. Okay. Man, I ran out of 12. That easy. Is that actually on 12 already? Oh, no, a little bit. Like one shoot. That's it. Okay. Jeez. Now I got darts all over my room. So thanks everyone for watching this video. If you are now here, or if you even care, if you even care at this point. So everyone, subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want to do. Thanks so much, and goodbye. Peace out, peeps.